So the next poem which we are going to see is Palanquin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Okay, so let us see about the poet. Sarojini Naidu, 1879 to 1949. Well known as Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu was also a famous English poetess. She was a political activist and played an active role in the freedom movement. She was the first woman to become the governor of Indian state of after independence. So some of her major contributions are The Broken Wing, The Bird of Time, The Golden Threshold, etc. So as we know that Nightingale of India is named is said to Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, right? So she has given her contributions in many of the poems like Broken Wing, Bird of Time, The Golden Treasure. So one of her contribution was like the Palanquin Bearers, and she gave a beautiful impression as well as the expression of how the bride has been taken to her husband's house in this palanquin. Palanquin is nothing but they say as like palki, they will say, right? In olden days, they used to carry the bride in this, which is bear by four persons. Okay, so even nowadays, this type of palanquin is used to carry the goddess or god's idol, right? You have been seen in the temples. So let's move on to the poem. Okay, so this is like a memorization for you. So note the lines which I am going to read for you. Okay, lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So the palanquin bearers were singing while they are taking the bride towards her husband's house. So she was so lightly, or they are carrying her so gently, okay, and they were carrying her with by singing the song, okay, to encourage the bride on her precious and most auspicious occasion. She is in her at that time, right? So they were encouraging the bride. She sways like a flower in the wind of a song. So she sways means nothing but she is moving from one side to other while they were carrying her, and she is like a flower. The bride is compared to flower, as the flower moves here and there when the wind blows at it, right? So she skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She skims is another, like she moves very smoothly like a bird, okay. And it is said as, it is compared as on the foam. Foam is nothing but small bubbles which comes when the stream is going fast, right? So the bride is compared to a bird on the foam of a stream, okay. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Here also the bride is compared to the float. She floats with a, that is, she is very much excited to be united to with her love life, right? And it is compared to the laugh which comes from her lips. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. So with cheerful, they are singing and they were encouraging the bride. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. They bear means they carry her like a pearl. As a pearl is very precious, as the same similar, the bride is also precious. So they compare the bride to the pearl, okay. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. So she is like a star, bright star, and as she is the main center of attraction on that day, right? So she is like a star in the dew. Dew is nothing but the condensed drops of water, okay. So she mingles up with the song they are singing. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. So she springs, she floats like a, she hangs like a beam on the brow. Brow is nothing but here top of the water of the tide. Tide is nothing but the waves. she falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. So even she gets a tear, like, because as she is leaving her father's place. Okay, so here sorry, the poet compares the two things in the bride's life. One is the laugh and another one is the tear. Laugh because her dream to go and reach her love, or that is her husband's place, and another thing is that here because as she is leaving her father's house. Lightly, oh lightly we glide and we sing. So they take her uh, gently and softly by moving and singing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So again they say that we carry them, like they carry, the bearers carry her like a precious pearl which is in on a string. Okay, so this is a wonderful poem which express about the feelings of the bride who has been taken to the taken to her husband's house, right? Okay, so this poem gives many much like expressions or the feelings how the bride was facing on that day. Okay, so hope you have understood this poem. Like, go through the poem. This is a memorization for you. Okay, it's a small poem only, so try to memorize this so that it will be easy for you while the school will be open. It will be easy for you to able to write it even if they have asked in the exam. Okay, so with along with this I will be sending the notes of this lesson. Okay, you have to write the poem, meanings about the poet, and the question answers which I will be sending. Okay, so in this thing you have a grammar part, or you can say a similar thing like rhyming words is nothing but the words which will be used in the poem which has a same sound, like especially at the ends of the lines you will get. Okay, so like rhyme scheme is nothing but, see, for example, they have given one stanza over here. The lady cries as gather of the skies father. Okay, cries over here, cries. So the first line, third line, second line, fourth line. Okay, so over here this refers to this way the words in the poem rhyme with each other. So the letters like A, B, C, D are used to show the rhyming pattern. Okay, so the lines which rhyme with each other are denoted by the same letter. Okay, so if these two words are same, so here first line and the third line ends with the same rhyming word. Okay, so they have kept it as A, and the second and the fourth has kept it as B. So here what they have got the rhyming scheme as AB. Okay, so with this the same thing you have to write it for this poem. Okay, so over here you have already seen this poem in your last year, right? The two words divergent and wood. So just frame the rhyming scheme. Okay, over here rhyming words you have in this: would, stood, could. Okay, so like similar to this example you have to frame this part. Okay, and write it down in your classwork. Another part which they have given over here is the simile. Already you have been gone through, I think so. Similes are nothing but a way to compare two things using like or as. In a simile, one person or a thing is compared to the another. See, for example, here over here she looks like an angel. Okay, he walks like a duck. So two persons have been compared to one thing. She acts like a fool. Okay, the second pattern is as plus adjective plus as plus noun. He is as tall as a giant. He is as fast as a rocket. So now the two things are compared. Okay, she is as graceful as swan. So you have two things which we will be using it as in a simile. Okay, the another thing you have in one exercise over here, you have to write this in your grammar classwork. Okay, hope you have understood what I have thought in this poem. Okay, try to memorize this poem for your future use. Okay, thank you.